What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Bird Temper Tantrum. So, see, I've been Christmas shopping for Red, and he's going to, his school project is to have dinosaur parks and Lego dinosaur parks in each classroom of his grade. So since no one has I thought of getting Blue's Helicopter Pursuit, since that would be hard to do. And since we're going to get Blue, they're going to get Blue, and they'll also get Blue, the Indoraptor, and Blue. They might make something called a Blues Memorial, but I can talk to his teacher into that. They have a competition for those grades, so I thought I was well getting this. And for his stocking presents, I am going to give him his phone. See, I'm even creating an app for his phone, for an important app on his phone to have. That would be all the Angry Birds games and the Angry Birds headquarters. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna put this in here along with, hold on a second. I'm gonna put that in along with his very own plushie for his work. See, he deserves to have his place back in the Angry Birds games and Angry Birds tunes. So, I know that this kind of looks like his stocking. We didn't got a stocking for him yet, so I thought I might as well share my stocking. Put all that in there. And hold on a second, I'm gonna hang that back up quick. Now I'm gonna put that present under the Christmas tree. And I'm gonna I might as well wrap this present. See, but first I want to show you. You get Piloty, and Piloto. You get Blue, Owen, Greedy, and Ken Wheatley along with this. That's the back of the box to see. So, I'm going to wrap this present and put it under the tree. Alright, now I'm going to put this under the tree. That'll be Red's present from me. Santa. So I'm going to, so it says Santa and me present. Because I couldn't get him something else. Yep, I best better put it under there. There we go. I better take this old one off to the recycling. I think I'll remember Ken Wheatley's name. I'm gonna have to recycle this. Okay. I'll be right back. After Eddie took the box out for recycling. Alright. I'm sorry if I can't hide all that. Right. If I can't hide all of Red's gifts right for this video. Alright. So, the next day, so Red is going to play the Radio Xbox. I just need to find the controller. Do you know where the Robo Xbox? I need the Robo Xbox controllers. Do you know where those controllers are? Oh, I think they're in my playroom. Okay. Bye, Red. I'm gonna leave for the hospital. Alright. Yep. So, do you guys like a little gingerbread house? Alright, so I'm gonna leave for the hospital. I'm gonna grab my things and head on out. I'm gonna go to work. After Eddie got home from work, Red, Mom, I'm home. What the? Hey, Eddie. What, Red? Where did that come from? I thought, it came from under the tree. Under the tree? Are you kidding me? Yeah. What is this? I found those in my stocking. You what? Yeah. What? That's impossible. Oh, that can't be, can it? Not feeling anything. No! You forgot to install an Angry Birds headquarters app. Well, oh wait, I'm forgetting something. I didn't download that Angry Birds headquarters app, haven't I? Nope, it's there. Really? What the? How come it? What is this? Oh yeah, I can't. That's kind of my screen. You're what? A clock's wrong to this thing too. Unbelievable. Did you even, when I was gone, did you even see what he did? He snuck under the Christmas tree, grabbed his presents, and he took his presents. He took his presents from the stocking. You know what? Hey, you're grounded for that. You're grounded you're grounded for the rest of the day. I don't want to ground you on Christmas. But you're not going to have this for the rest of the day. Got it? Got it. Cardboard phone case. We'll imprint on that. Put that up there. That is going up there. You can take that to school for your dinosaur park. Sweet. We can maybe use a blue statue for it. And an orange greedy statue for it too. But you're not going to get this until Christmas. You got it? Don't care. I'll put that up high as well. Now you can't reach them. Alright. Alright, that's cool. Did you sneak into any other stockings? Nope. Did you put anything in the stockings? In the stockings? Did you put anything in the stockings?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
You're right. There's nothing in those stockings. He's not present picking. What am I going to do with that? What are we going to do with that bird? I got to live with this the rest of my life. Hold on a minute. I have to see what time it is. Because I have a Glacier Park meeting and I shouldn't be leaving till 8 o'clock. Well, it's now 7:40, and I have to go to Glacier Park for the Christmas meet. And Jurassic Park after that, and Jurassic World, and Aquatic Park after that. I gotta be ready on Christmas. What am I gonna do? Well, I'm gonna get my stuff ready for the meeting, and I guess I will see you guys soon. Bye. See ya. Yep. If we don't see you on Christmas, Merry Christmas. Bye.